The Odyssey of Language, a tale from the whispering shores. Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled between rolling hills and whispering shores, lived a young dreamer named Ella. Her fascination with languages was unmatched, and she yearned to explore the world beyond her humble abode. One day, Ella discovered an ancient, dusty book in her village's hidden library. It spoke of a mystical realm where the very air was imbued with the essence of language, and anyone who ventured there would not only witness extraordinary wonders, but also unlock the secrets of a universal tongue. Determined to embark on this linguistic odyssey, Ella packed her belongings and set off towards the horizon, guided only by the tales whispered by the wind. Her journey led her through dense forests, across babbling brooks, and over towering mountains until she reached the entrance of the fabled whispering shores. As she stepped into this enchanting realm, the air itself seemed to hum with the melodies of countless languages. Ella felt an invisible force guiding her through a labyrinth of linguistic challenges. Along the way, she encountered creatures that communicated in languages she had never imagined, birds with melodic tweets that conveyed stories, and trees that rustled in a secret language only they understood. As Ella delved deeper into the heart of the whispering shores, she met a wise old sage who spoke a language that resonated with the echoes of centuries past. Under the sage's guidance, Ella discovered the nuances of syntax, the beauty of idioms, and the artistry of storytelling. Every encounter in the mystical realm became a lesson, every challenge an opportunity to unravel the complexities of language. Ella's vocabulary expanded, her grammar sharpened, and she began to express herself with newfound eloquence. As the days turned into weeks, and weeks into months, Ella's transformation was nothing short of magical. She became a linguistic sorceress, weaving words into spells that bridged gaps between diverse tongues. The whispering shores had become her classroom, and every conversation, a chapter in her extraordinary story. Eventually, with a heart full of wisdom and a mind brimming with linguistic treasures, Ella bid farewell to the magical realm. She returned to her village, not just as a dreamer, but as a language maestro, ready to share the enchanting tales of the whispering shores. And so, the village echoed with the melodic cadence of a language that transcended borders, connecting hearts and minds in a symphony of understanding. Ella's odyssey had not only enriched her own linguistic repertoire, but it also bestowed upon her village the gift of a shared language, a legacy that would resonate for generations to come.